Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we're going to do a deep clean. I'm kind of getting prepared for the spring, so I want to do some like deep cleaning in my kitchen. Not a whole lot, but just I'm going to touch a couple of areas. But in today's video, I'm going to be using Fabuloso and vinegar and water. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. y'all, let's talk about this mop, which I am so happy I finally got, you guys. I know you guys have seen it. It's the old cedar mop. It's a really nice mop. The mop actually has a dispenser where once you if you want to wring the mop off, you can just place it down in the dispenser, press the pedal, and it spins it and squeezes it out for you guys. I have wanted this for so long. I'm so happy I got this mop. I don't know what to do, but if you guys are interested, it's called the old cedar mop. I got mine at Walmart, and I think it was about 30 bucks, so they're easy to find now. All right, you guys, let's just do a little bit of decorating here. I got these towels. I ordered them off of Amazon, and you guys, I'm really loving the color scheme, the teal, the lime green, and the blue, and the white, and I really like it. Kind of reminds you of the ocean type theme, but I really like this color, so I went with this particular theme, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a moment. All right, you guys, this is where the infamous color theme came from. That's in my kitchen now. I actually drew this picture at a place called Sips and Strokes. I really do love it. I love the color scheme. So this is where everything came from. It came from this picture right here. And I'm kind of like trying to incorporate this throughout my house, like all the pictures I've drawn through over the years and stuff. I just want to like put those decoration themes throughout my house, but you know, we'll see. But needless to say, I didn't do a whole lot of like I said, decorating the kitchen. I kept it as simplistic as possible because I'm still trying to conquer my center wall right here. What am I going to put on this wall? I don't know. But needless to say, everything turned out really good. I love it. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.